Really, when we started designing the Series S, we started with this idea of an all-digital console and thought about how we could make it the most compact Xbox ever.
Hey! Well, there you are.
Even the box is small. Can we just talk about that real quick? Like, it's weird to think that there's an Xbox in here.
That was always the main design goal, is like, how do we get everything that we need into the smallest and most compact footprint ever?
So I can open this up and see just what's in here. Look at that. It's so succinct.
I love the way this recycled material looks, and it just, it surrounds the product. It like frames it really nicely. We designed these little areas for your hands to get in there. The packaging team did an awesome job, like making this presentation feel really special. We talk a lot about heroing the product, and this just gets you right in there right away. What's cool, even though this is within the package still, like you still get that icon. You see that black circle and you go, oh, I know that's the S.
This is beautiful. This is, come on, are you serious?
Oh, you know what's crazy is seeing it in the wrap, you get a sense of its size, but really holding it in your hands makes you realize how small this thing is.
Oh, this is awesome, it's pristine. I've been living with development units for so long, and it's so awesome to see the final product fresh off the production line. Oh, it looks incredible.
Look at this. I mean, I can stand it upright. Honestly, whenever I get a new toy, a new electronic, whatever it is, I want to figure out where it's going to live. Giving it a home makes it feel like it's a part of the family, right?
Designing this as an all-digital product from the ground up, it really let us think differently about how we would arrange all the internal components, but the same design philosophy still applied. So we're still thinking primitive shapes and how do we expose that functionality, through design elements, and obviously the major one here is this black circle here, and that's the exhaust. So air is flowing in the sides, cooling a chip, and then flowing out of this exhaust.
I know I'm gonna have my Ethernet slot, my power, my storage expansion, my HDMI, plus 2 USB ports. It looks very different and distinguished. It looks individual, but it still feels like it's a part of the Xbox family.
With the Series S, we were actually able to build on some of the knowledge that we had used from previous consoles, but it was totally different in that it was completely digital.
I want my digital goods available the moment they are launched. This is all I need to keep all of the games that I could possibly want.
Just like we did on the Series X, we learned from the work that we did on the adaptive controller and built these tactile bumps in the back. If you have low vision, it helps you in locating and finding the right plug. But if you're just reaching behind this and not looking, anytime it's in your TV console, it can help you line those up as well. And so just like a curb cut, on a sidewalk, it helps everybody. I love the way all the accessories are packaged in this little side compartment here. It's super easy to get your power cord, your HDMI cable.
Quick start, nice little settings, bring your mobile phone, because that is an excellent way, using the Xbox app, to start up this thing day up.
You get this continuity of design elements where you have the black circle for the D-pad and the exhaust there. It really feels like they go together. The finish on this controller feels awesome. We have those micro bumps here that that we had on our previous controller that feel great. We actually added them on the trigger as well.
Look at that beautiful robot white, texturized on the back, new and updated D-pad that features both the cross and the dish combined, and of course, that share button.
One of the other features that's really subtle on here, we pulled the edges of this in by just a few millimeters. And what that does is allow somebody with smaller hands to get their fingers around the triggers more easily, and just makes the whole thing a bit more ergonomic, even for people with larger hands.
I mean, I knew it was small. I didn't know it was that small. That thing is going with me lots of places.
Knowing that this machine is packing such a punch in a little frame, in a small frame, is absolutely amazing.
I'm super proud to be part of the team The design team that I work on is fantastic. It's a great team to be a part of.